They made a statue of us and they put it on a mountaintop. Now tourists come and stare at us, blow bubbles with their gum, take photographs of fun. They'll name a city after us and later say it's all our fault. Then they'll give us a talking to, then they'll give us a talking to, 'cause they've got years of experience. We're living in a den of thieves, rummaging for answers in the pages. We're living in a den of thieves, and it's contagious, and it's contagious, and it's contagious, and it's contagious.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Jama Bill Aguila and Esther Lynn Leonor Aguila.
They made a statue of us, they made a statue of us. The tourists come and stare at us, the sculptors marvel since regards. They made a statue of us, they made a statue of us. Our noses have begun to rust.
Na-excite na talaga ako makita ka, lalong-lalo na yung surname mo ay maging isa ka ng ganap na Mrs. Aguila. Lovey, Esther, on this special day, as I stand before you, surrounded by our beloved ones, I make this heartfelt promise to you, my love. I promise to always be your biggest supporter, your fiercest defender, and your most devoted companion. I promise to be your rock in times of need, your source of laughter in times of joy, and your partner in all of life's adventures.
Hoy, pagalingan ng acting. Plastikan muna tayo. Sobrang effort niya. Eh, yun, lagi siyang may gift sa akin, ganon.
Lovey, let us make a lot of memories together and take photos that will last forever. Can't wait to see you and be with you forever. I love you.
Fully paid! Thank you, Lovey!
We will travel more together and i-enjoy natin every moment na magkasama tayo dito hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
Mahal, Lovey, Jama, looking at you right now make my heart feel safe and fulfilled. I know today is the precious moment that we have been waiting. After all the sleepless nights, tireless efforts, countless tears, unnumbered misunderstandings, and maraming prayers, here we are, standing together before God in this church.
Hi, Lavi, Jama. Sana makapture mo lahat ng memories natin using this camera. I love you, Lavi. Esther.
You came unexpected, kasabay ng bagyo noong November 1, 2020. Never did I know na you were the one I will cherish forever.
Gumagawa siya ng paraan para makapunta sa bahay namin, yung makipagkwentuhan.
Sa ganong pagkakataon ay kahit busy siya, makita ko lang siya, okay na ako. Parang nakaramdam ako ng spark na I have to come back and pursue her.
You have proven your love for me, and you are my answered prayer. And I won't stop praising and thanking Him every day because of you.
I promise to honor, respect, and cherish you for all the days of my life, and to create a lifetime of beautiful memories together.
Congrats, anak. Mahal na mahal kita.
Esther, yamang iyong napakinggan ang katapatan ni Jama. Ipinapangako mo ba na mula sa araw na ito, si Jama lamang ang iyong iibigin, mamahalin, paglilingkuran sa hirap at ginhawa?
Opo. From this day forward, I vow to be one in you. I promise to love your family as my own. Your family will be my family. Your mom would be my mom.
Esther, ikaw ang aking liwanag sa pinakamadilim na araw. Nangangako akong maging iyong sandalan, iyong kaibigan, at iyong mahal ngayon at sa lahat ng araw ng ating buhay.
Di man nahakan, di man nasisilayan, pipiliin ka ng puso.
And I pray, may we continue to grow in Christ by moving close to Him and close everyone to Him. I love you, love.
Sa dalawang kabatang ito, hinihiling namin mula sa langit na kayo, O Diyos, ang magbuklod ng isang makalangit na pagpapala sa kanilang pagsasama, Panginoon.
Mula sa simula hanggang sa dulo, ikaw at ako. I love you.
Ikaw lang